Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge. It's hosted by Amy of Crafty Cat, and we are to take guest checks and make ephemera. She's gonna draw a prompt, and we will go by that. She's gonna do 2 a week for 25 weeks, and that'll give us 50 ephemera pieces. And the prompts for this week is red and paint. So I don't think mine are guest checks. I couldn't find a guest check, but it's sales orders, but I'm sure they'll work the same. So be sure and check out Crafty Cat's channel. I'll have it listed in my description box down below, and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here we are. This was really a lot of fun. I've got my red on the first one. I made a little tag just like Amy did. And I'm going to put these in my Wizard of Oz journal that I will be doing. And so I'm just kind of getting up some ephemera for it. And here's number 2 with the paint. I did some acrylic, watered down acrylic white and some watercolor black and metallic gold. And I just added in this little altar playing card that I did with the challenge from Sweet Bee Paper Co. and her Summer Fun Ephemera Challenge. So I just added that. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Crafty Cat's channel. I'll have it listed in my description box down below, as well as the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge. And I'll have that in my title as well as in my description box down below. So until next time, bye y'all.